Hey guys, what's up, and thanks for stopping by my channel, CrystalMichelle, and today I'm here to review for you guys these products I've been playing around with. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so I'm going to review these products in the order of my wash day, and so I'm going to start off with the hot cocoa treatment. And guys, this is probably one of my favorite products that I tried out of the Curly Temple line. That's the product line that we're reviewing today. And what I really loved about this is that it's a hot oil treatment with cocoa butter and argan oil. And what I did is that I took it and I steeped it in some boiling hot water, so the liquid kind of went from being, it's not completely solid, but it really made it super liquidy, and it was easy to apply onto my hair strands. And what I loved about this is that it was that time of the month, and so I love anything chocolatey. My boyfriend got me a whole bag of chocolate, so I was just sitting there eating my chocolate with my hot cocoa on my head. It smells like chocolate, and it's super conditioning, and it's soft, and it's nourishing on your hair. It's a hot oil treatment that's supposed to help alleviate any scalp issues such as dandruff or flaking, so it's probably going to be really great for the winter months. And all these products, just so you know, are sulfate free, paraben free, mineral oil free. There's no animal testing, and there is no petroleum. And the first ingredient in this is literally cocoa butter. Like, you can sit here and read it and see the ingredients. There's argan oil, there's castor oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, wheat germ, all these really great ingredients for your hair. And I left it on actually overnight, and when I rinsed it out, my curls were soft and nourishing and moisturized, and it didn't still smell like hot chocolate like later on, just in case that's, you know, something that kind of turns you off. But I've never used cocoa butter on my hair before, but I actually really enjoyed it. It left my hair feeling really soft and nourished, and my scalp feeling really great, and it just felt good to do a hot oil treatment, a pre-poo, before my shampoo. So if you haven't done one, I definitely give this product a thumbs up, and I recommend it. So the next product that I followed up with after I did my hot oil treatments that I shampooed, and then I used their Banana Smoothie Deep Conditioner, and it's a banana and avocado protein treatment. First off, this treatment is super unique. A great protein treatment is going to balance your hair. Banana has elasticity, avocado has the protein, so it's a great mix, a great balancing conditioner to strengthen your hair and to nourish it. I wouldn't say this product has a crazy amount of slip, but it wasn't something that felt weird going on your hair. It just went on and easily absorbed into your hair strands. So if you're someone who needs to detangle, I definitely recommend detangling beforehand, or using maybe one of their conditioners first before applying this deep conditioner. But my hair was already detangled, it was shampooed and clean, and I just worked it right in, and it just melted right into my hair, which I absolutely loved. It definitely smells like banana. Just so you guys can see, it's super fluffy and whipped. It's almost like whipped shea butter, but still with like a little bit more like liquid in it. And of course, one of the ingredients in it is actually shea butter. There's aloe vera juice in it. There's avocado butter in it, which I absolutely love. Olive oil. There's some protein in here, banana extract. Overall, this was a great deep conditioner. I like these products. I think they're great for the winter time. Curly Temple hit that on the head when it comes to really nourishing and conditioning your hair and being mindful of their ingredients. So I definitely recommend it. I think it's a great product to try out, and I will be using this up because I just love that I know what's going on and what's going on to my hair. So then the next product that I followed up with, and I wish I could have made this work for my hair, was the Curl Aid Leave-In Conditioner. I wasn't crazy about the scent. It was actually a little too, like, it's a great creamy texture, and I thought I was really gonna like it, but it actually was a little too heavy for my hair, in the sense of a little bit more on like the oily, greasy side. I don't want to use the word greasy, but more like on the oily side. And I like my leave-in conditioners to almost be like putting a light conditioner into your hair, not like using like an oil, if that makes sense. So I kind of felt like I was locking in dryness on my hair. I hope I'm making sense, guys. I saturated my hair with water, I applied it, but it was just a little too oily, a little too heavy for my hair strands. I have really, really fine hair. There's nothing wrong with this product. It actually feels really great putting it on my skin, but I think it would work better for someone who might be a 4B, 4C, who needs that extra coating on your hair. But when I used this and then paired it with their curl enhancer, it kind of made my hair look stringy, and so it just didn't work for my hair. I really wanted to like it. It actually feels really nice on my skin. But it was just a little too heavy for my fine hair strands. However, I decided last night to try the lemon Gello again outside of the leave-in conditioner, and I love this stuff, guys. And actually for me, it's an all-in-one. The lemon Gello has lemon butter in it, flaxseed gel, and it's a curl enhancer. So not only is it conditioning, but it also gives you a little bit of hold, and that's what I did for this braid out today. I enjoy the scent of the majority of all their products. It smells like a lemon custard almost, and the texture is very similar to the leave-in conditioner, except it's more moisturizing, more creamy. It applied really well on my hair. I can just wet my hair with some water. I worked it on, it absorbed into my hair strand, gave me a little bit of slip. I was able to do a 3-strand braid out with this, all the way working it to the ends. It gave me great definition. It's great now because the humidity's gone in New York. It was super nourishing and moisturizing, and it says here that the lemon butter is supposed to be a really rich natural resource of vitamin E, and the flax seeds are also a really rich in omega-3 fatty acids, so it helps to avoid dry, scaly scalp and nourish your hair. And it's supposed to give your hair definition with a smooth, soft finish. And I 100% agree with that. My hair was not frizzy today. You guys can see this is day 1. It was moisturized, it was defined, but not too defined. If you're a fine natural girl like me, you guys know like how hard it is to like get definition without our hair being like this and all weighed down. But my hair is nice and soft and fluffy, and I will definitely continue using all these products. So out of all the products I received, literally 3 out of 4 of them worked for my hair. Curly Temple is not a miss, it's definitely a hit. And a hit on everything it promises to do. It's nourishing, it's moisturizing, it's conditioning, everything you'll probably need for the winter time. This is a sponsored review, but as always, I'm giving you guys my honest opinion. Let me know, have you tried out the Curly Temple line? What products you might be interested in, or a product line you would like me to see or review next. I will leave all the price points and information about this hairline down below in the description box, as well as their website. So go ahead, check it out, support a business that is catering to natural hair and is mindful of their ingredients, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!